In law, with the Abuja Municipal Area Council, the local government, would you say
whatever is inside. If you feel that the market will not of course, it's so. Mental right now can afford it. They have its reasons. In this, the confusion in this issue is that we really don't know who is the accuser and who is the judge, who is the prosecutor. Jubril raised the issue of the house was defensive. Hello there and welcome to the program Legally Speaking, a program in which we look at power, politics and policies from the eyes of the law. My name is Chijioke Kanu, your regular anchor. In this edition of the program, we are going to look at the JUSUN strike, Judicial Staff Union of Nigeria, and the courts. You know, for some time the courts has been down because JUSUN is on strike. We are going to look at the effect, we are going to look at the cause, and then how it affects Nigerians. I have a guest in the studio to dissect this issue. I will introduce you to him when we return from this break. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. If you are just joining us, this is Legally Speaking. Of course, it's a program in which you look at power, politics, and policies from the eyes of the law. I told you that I have a guest, and when we come back from that break, I will introduce you to our guest. Our guest is no other than the other person than the Oracle himself. Barrister Al Wokoma, of course, is a legal practitioner in Abuja and a regular person in this program. Al, another round of talk today. You're welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you. Now, the courts are under lock and key for over 1 month. This is a terrible thing. What is your take on this?
You know, like you said, when it is a time, there is no leadership, actually. If there is leadership, they will have done something. Both in the states and in the, I think the federal courts.
Federal courts are on strike.
They are on strike.
Mm-hmm.
So we can sit down like that for 1 month. Although it's not a new thing. Rivers State, when Rivers State was there about 5 years ago or 6 years ago, because, no, 2014. 2014. They were on strike and the courts were on recess for almost over 1 year.
I remember because I had a matter at the High Court there. I went and the strike started that day. No, a day before. I didn't know. So when I got to court, lawyers came, but nobody was doing anything. They said they started strike yesterday. Like joke, all the courts were closed down. Yeah. And now we are here.
Now the whole Nigeria, I think apart from Edo State that has a grudge with the federal.
Yes, they are going to court. They are working in protest.
They are working in
protest, yes. To get back at the
JUSUN. Imagine people are supposed to get bail the next day and they've stayed a month plus.
Now, the JUSUN, that is Judicial Staff Union of Nigeria, are saying that look, the money that we are talking about should be the money that belongs to the judiciary should be given to the judiciary to dispense. That the state governors are not doing that. They say no, the state governors are not doing that. The money does not come to them. Now, we sing separation of powers. It also have to do with separation of fund and the separation of expenditure.
Separation of powers, that means executive is on his own, although it's interwoven. But you allow them to do things the way they felt is better for them. But when they are not doing that, it's a unitary government.
You know the crux of this issue is a constitutional provision. It's not new. It has been there. Only that the governors were not doing anything about it. So this strike is actually to enforce a constitutional provision. And they say that they have judgment also.
No, they have two judgments. Two judgments, apart from the constitutional provision. When the governors were not obeying it, they went to court.
And they got two separate judgments.
Agbago Bayese was one of those who went to court and got judgment.
For them?
No, for that period, for that thing.
Yes.
He did not represent, I don't think he represented any group.
Okay, he went
when they
on
are
constitutional interpretation.
Yes, interpretation. And he was given and there is no appeal up to this moment.
Now, is there no way that judgment can be enforced?
No.
Rather than a strike?
No, it can be enforced through dealing with the governors that are not obeying the constitutional order. They have an immunity now, but you can deal with them after they've left office. And this thing has been going on since Obasanjo's era.
Do they have immunity? Can this thing be enforced by way of? It's not an impeachable offense.
It's an impeachable offense, but you and I know that the governors, in short, there is a legislature that said they were not, they don't want independence because their governors say so.
Yeah.
So is that the type of legislature that they impeach the governor? They can't impeach it because he decides and determines who goes to the house.
Because this provisional constitutional provision is sacrosanct.
It's sacrosanct.
The state assembly cannot legislate on it, but what they can do is that they can make sure that the governor does not release the money that belongs to the judiciary.
No, you still deal with the human beings. Are the human beings willing to do the right thing? Okay, look at the federation now. There is federal character in the constitution, but is that what we obey now?
No.
Now. And then the members of National Assembly were yes sir. Most of them were yes sir boys, so they can't do anything.
You know, in the federal, at the federal level, checks and balances is dead. In the states, it's even given a decent burial long time ago.
No, you're right.
Look at like Imo State, for instance. The legislators were all PDP members until that Supreme Court decision that made Hope Uzodinma.
All of them.
And suddenly everybody crossed over to
APC.
It's a terrible thing.
It's a terrible thing.
It's a terrible thing. Now, is it this kind of people that will go and tell governor, bring down money that belongs to the judiciary?
No, this strike is okay, so that let people see what is happening. I think governors are now talking about, yes, I think 25th of this month.
That they will pay?
That they will start
implementing
it. And the people say, whenever you implement, we will go to work.
There must be a way. Is there no way we can prevent this kind of a thing happening? Because it's an embarrassment to the whole country.
No, you are talking about embarrassment. When the leadership is not embarrassed, it's you and I that will embarrass now. That is if you go out. And the best thing I stay at my home.
The mainstream media are not talking about it. It's like nothing is going on.
No, the media. You know the problem we have with the media. Most of the media, the people who own the newspaper houses or the television houses, have entangled themselves. So
they are partisans.
If they talk nonsense, they show them
what they have done, and then they'll jump into
most of them. Most of them. I'm saying most because I'm not sure of all of them.
Because how can a country, the court is shut down for over 1 month, nobody is saying anything about it?
Most of them are entangled.
It's unfair.
Most of them are entangled. And so the business people.
NBA supports this strike.
No,
just like,
NBA is the people that give them a bite.
Just like some of us support it.
They gave them a bite. The NBA. You know, since NBA, if not, the Jason strike will have ended since. But the NBA went there.
All of us went for the match.
And it's because of the type of leadership we have in NBA now.
Okay.
Because I think this,
It's a proactive.
and they are individualistic. Others will have, one way or the other, will have cornered themselves into either the chambers of the Attorney General so that, you know, they belong to the same class, according to them. But this NBA leadership is for the people.
Yeah.
At least we are seeing it.
Yes.
Yes.
And why? How is it that the AG has not said anything? No statement.
No, that's
nothing.
why
Nothing.
That's why we want to separate the
Office of the Attorney General,
from that of
Minister of Justice.
Yes. Because the when you merge the two, the partisanship
Cannot be separated.
yes, it cannot say. But when you separate them, the office and this and that, the AG can say anything
Anything? Yes.
because you can't remove him.
No, cannot. He can tell the truth to power.
Yes.
And that is the purpose of that office,
That's the
really.
purpose of that office.
We have not had the CJN on this issue. Is he not supposed to say something?
No, but you and I know that how the CGN came to power.
Yeah.
So he cannot say much.
Well, the problem is that everybody is carrying on as if nothing is wrong. But this is a serious constitutional issue. Now they want to amend the constitution. They are inviting people for public hearing on the amendment of the constitution. They have to do something about the checking of the governor of a state. We have seen that the legislature has failed. We have seen that even the Attorney General has failed. Nobody can talk to the governor. Governor is an emperor because everybody there owe allegiance to him one way or another. Don't you think they should touch on this immunity so that people can be taken to court?
Immunity is not the problem. For me, the immunity is okay because a sitting governor, the way we carry on, it could be arrested by anybody.
Yeah.
If he does the right thing in the real sense.
Yes.
So immunity is okay. But let us make these people, legislature and judiciary, independent. If we make them really independent, all this...
That is what all this strike is about.
Yes, independence. And then the electoral system is very key.
Yes, because of the quality,
so
because of the quality of people that come,
so that you don't
come to the corridor of power.
All kinds of people to power, and killings will abate.
You know, this strike reminds me of irresponsibility of the political class when it comes to obeying the laws of the land. They are like people who don't do any wrong. Even when they do wrong, nothing happens.
No, most of us carry on. Most politicians carry on as if they are emperors.
Yes.
And because of the monetary value that is there, they can kill to get into office. If they are taking allowances, you will see that the quality people will go there.
Yes, now you know there's this thing I want you to also look at. When the state come to collect money from the federation account, the money is not splitted. There's no one for judiciary, there's no one for legislature, there's no one for executive of that state. They collect it as a revenue due to that state from the federation account. It is when they get to their respective states that they begin to look at their budget.
No. The money is there. The money, when it's given to the state, it's given to the state. But there is a split.
Yes, of course.
Because all of them defended the budget.
Yes.
So the money, if they are going to take, if they send a state 20 naira, there is a percentage that goes to the house.
The judiciary and the executive.
There is a percentage. So it's split. There is a split.
The governors has been grabbing in terms of...
because the governor is doing that, he brings in the head of judiciary. He
brings in the attorney general.
He brings in the head of judiciary. And then tell you who to go into the house or not. And who the speaker should be.
The state is a mockery. The states in Nigeria are mockeries of democracy.
Even as good as Lagos State is, That's what happened.
Yes, Sanwo-Olu is an emperor.
No, not Sanwo-Olu now. Sanwo-Olu is one of the people subject to the powers.
The man behind the masquerade.
No, the governors in Lagos are not emperors.
Because there's an emperor that
There's
controls
an
the
emperor
government.
that controls all of them. But the man in the east have their rivers, they are emperors.
Emperors, yes. Wike says what he wants, does what he wants. The same thing, no good
during the Jaju strike, Wike came out and said that Rivers State is already enjoying.
Okay, what they are fighting for?
What they are fighting for. So the lawyer said no. Why is the chief judge not coming to tell us this?
And it's you. Are you also the head of?
And meanwhile, he commissioned court houses and gave it to judiciary.
No, that is wrong.
So is that if the judiciary build our house, will he be the one to commission them? Or he could be invited to commission?
But he could not. He doesn't have power to build the houses.
Now.
The power belongs to the judiciary.
That shows that the money was with him.
Yes, he spent it anyhow he likes it. But he has to stop.
And they thank him for building them in court.
No, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. What these people are saying is, do what the law has said, and people should come and support them.
To do, what section 121 of the control allows is that he puts up a bill after collecting the money. When he knows how much. He puts that and give it to the house. The house will pass it and give each of the heads their own money.
But the governors could be funny. You know, the governor will go and say, okay, I'm going to build a court. What is your business with building a court?
I don't know. And we'll buy
cars for the judiciary.
What is
from where is that one coming from?
I will buy big cars that they can't maintain after the leave.
And then they say the governor has bought a few hundred cars to the judiciary, and then invite the chief judge, who is also maybe a stooge.
No, he appoints the judge. Most of the states, if you watch, they will leave the man who is supposed to be appointed.
They retire him.
No, they don't even retire him. They jump. Sometimes number 5.
Yes, they demand. The other people will be left to no option.
It's the name they submit to NJC.
Yes, it's all over the place. The governors has carried partisan politics into the judiciary, and that is the problem we're having today.
Legislature is already dead.
Look at that, the federal courts. It's the president that appoints the CJN. For what now? When the rule is there, the oldest should be. That's the point. That's the issue. You cannot leave somebody here and go to the other side, because this profession and that part of he has his own rules.
Yes.
The politicians are destroyed it.
That's why they are independent.
Yes.
But you seem to put.
It's the CJN that would have supposed to appoint the federal judges and justices, not the president. Then they say the president has approved the appointment of federal high court judges. He's graciously. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is appointing federal high court judges. I think it includes this customary court of appeal and Sharia court of appeal. There is the president what is the business of the president in appointing members of the judiciary, the third arm? He moved from his place.
His own independence.
Yes. And even the National Assembly, is it not the president that determines who is the speaker and who is the
that was why people like Saraki and Co, when they were there, had everybody was against them, because they came in
and tried to change.
No, they came in while the other people were busy sharing somewhere.
Having meeting to bring the people that the president want.
And elected themselves. And not elected themselves, the people around elected them.
Yes, because they follow the rule.
So they fought them till they left.
Yeah. Well, part of what Juson is saying is what we are saying, the judiciary must be completely independent. Appoint
At
their
least
judges,
finances
remove
and
their
appointments.
judges. Yes.
No, immediately you get the finances right, appointment will follow.
All right, we return to this conversation after this break. Welcome back to the program. It's still Legally Speaking, and we're still talking about Jason strike and the Nigerian courts of lock and key. You know, before we went on that break, we were talking about the governors going to do capital projects in the judiciary, which is not correct.
No, because they have
It's an offense.
No, they want to show how they are spending their money.
No, they spend it for you.
You earn the money, and I spend it for you.
That's what they're talking. That's what they're talking about. You go to states, you see that governor will come and say, you know, I built this courthouse. You
When
see,
I was building it,
yeah, you see where they put his name, commissioned by His Excellency in the judiciary. That's what are they talking
the
about?
judge is there, just there.
There are no chief judge. Although chief judge, they are all politicians. Underground politicians, they are card-carrying members of the ruling
Most of
party.
them are contractors.
And it's either they are doing the job, the governor will give them the opportunity to go and do the job, or the governor will do the job, hand over to them to say good. But for me, I think that beyond this, there's this issue of the effect of this strike. When the costs are down, when the costs are locked down, you know it's a terrible thing.
No, but
No court is sitting, people cannot get bail, then you are left at the mercy of the police.
you know,
And other EFCC, all those
you know,
people.
most of the time, when you need something to happen, when you need justice, when you need justice, one or two will suffer it. We call it sacrifice.
Yeah.
Because if they don't do this, this is how it's going to be, and we will never be independent. And when the judiciary is not independent, then we are finished.
Because they said the court is the last hope of the common man.
Even the legislator, when they are not independent, then it's finished. Because
They have never
the judge will now, the governor will now will appoint. It's an appendage.
Yes, actually, it's the governor that will take the speaker he likes.
Yes.
And
Not just the speaker. He first of all will make sure that these are the people that will come to the house.
You know, there's this opus of him. It was a time he brought one bill that the governor can detain anybody at his pleasure. And that house, those people that gathered there, that called themselves legislators, they showed their emptiness, they showed their cluelessness in terms of the nation and people's rights. And they went and passed it. Then some lawyer in the place and throw it into the trash can.
How can you when it's in the constitution?
When I saw it, when they called me from over, look at what is happening. I read the thing, I say, was the man, has he started drinking of late? How come himself did not know that this is a constitutional issue? How come the people, this bunch he called the legislator, did not know that also? One lawyer just went to court with one hand like this, he threw the thing away. That's to show you that when these people compromise, they do something that actually are unlawful.
Very unlawful.
Very, very unlawful. Look at what's going on.
They don't even read.
What is Joseph asking for? They are asking for their right under the constitution. Do they need to go to strike to achieve
before
it?
you get that right.
It doesn't make sense. If the governors and the political class understand this law, because I think that we are having a problem here. It's like people who come to governance are clueless about the provisions of the law.
No, what they do is that if they see you like what you're doing here,
Yeah.
when they know that you want to contribute, they make sure you don't get the position. Because when you want to contribute, you will not allow people to drag you up and down.
Of course.
You do what is right.
Of course.
They will never allow you, because we worship money in this country. They will never allow you to be there.
You see, it's even funny that what they are asking for, they are not asking you to amend the constitution. They are saying it's already here. Give it is our right.
2 judgments have been passed.
And everybody is keeping quiet.
Because of the way we go about it. All of us, you know, the way you have to be. We are not God.
Yeah.
We can't be clean.
No.
But we can ask him to help us to be clean.
Yes.
You know, when the paper owners, the TV owners,
the radio stations,
if they are talking, when they invite you to a program, they don't allow you to talk. If you want to say something, they say no. Because they've compromised.
And there's some of these people, when you listen to them, you wonder where they are coming from. Because they don't get quality people who understand what this is.
Even big stations. I don't want to mention them. I listen to them till 11. It's after 11 that I take my part. I go to anywhere, unless if I have very early
meeting, or court or meeting.
Mostly 9 o'clock. If not, if I'm supposed to, it's 11, 12. Unless there is a meeting that they have agreed on a time.
We are scoring if you ask me to score the media on this very important constitutional issue, I will score them 0.
No, nobody can get 0, but they can get up to 10%.
What does that mean? That this issue is not important?
Because they are compromised. And when you are compromised, a lot of things happen. A lot of wrongs happen. When you are compromised, that's why you see the best.
Now, what of the other angle, like the Labour? The Labour has not said anything about this strike.
No, they said something.
Okay.
Initially.
Okay.
They were part of them.
Okay, that's nice.
No, they were part of them.
That's helpful. That's helpful.
NBA is part of them.
We commend them for that.
And then some independent lawyers, like you and I.
Yes, we are part of it.
And some people will be saying long ago.
You know what is surprising me in this country is that people in governance think they can do anything, and get away with it.
No, because of our system. You know what they do here, especially in Nigeria. You know, whenever you say something, it can be as reasonable. Somebody must oppose you from the other divide. They must, you know, there is an adage.
We can even,
There is an adage that says that support your own. Whether he's doing the wrong thing or right thing, you must support it. That's what's creating this country.
It's true. But you know that Jusun in this one is almost 99.9% together in all the states. No, apart from Edo.
No, they have to be together. Even Edo is together with him, apart from the problem they have.
Yes, all of them are.
It's a protest.
They are united in this fight. Yes, there's no difference between them here. And then the governors, it's surprising that all the governors, all of them.
No, it's a club now. Don't you see the foil there? It's a club. That was why somebody, even lawyers, who became governors were misbehaving. Because maybe they get their free money comes in. The other one you have to.
How can you say, since 1999, this provision nobody has given effect to it, and it's there begging for attention.
And you count the number of governors who are lawyers.
Yes, Fashola was one.
No, you can name even the present governor.
Yes. And they looked away from this because of the money they get from it.
Money, yes.
That is terrible.
They can do anything for you and commission it.
And buy a car and give you.
And that's why if a judiciary is buying a car, It's not, lawyers are not supposed to be flamboyant.
No, not naturally. We are supposed to be conservative people.
Yeah, conservative people. Even their dressing.
Even dressing, yes.
But what you see now, they drive flashy cars.
Yeah, some of them will wear boot. They wear this canvas to wear suit.
Say they are judges.
No, you see, what is surprising many, including us here at this Governance Africa TV, and especially this program, Legally Speaking, is that people cannot close their eyes to the provisions of the Constitution, and everybody will allow them to go free. Is it not part of what a governor can be tried?
Even if you are not listening to, keep talking. One day you will get somebody to listen to.
Yeah.
All this insecurity going on in the country. If people were listening to, people have been saying it now.
Yeah.
People have been saying it. You are not educated. You deliberately will make people not to be educated. And those people are growing. Even they are 14, 15, they start challenging you.
Yeah. Johnson has actually done their work and they've gone to bed. What do you advise the governors to do?
No, the governors have made a problem. I don't know why it's taking them this long. They said 25th. Why must it be 25th? Why not immediately? This thing should have ended in April.
Was there a debt, so unpaid allowances arising from this?
No, they didn't tell us. They didn't.
Okay, the details.
They didn't tell us.
They are just saying, look, do what is in the Constitution.
Yes.
But they are right.
What Jason are saying that do this time around, we will never go back until you do what is in the Constitution. And they have two judgments in addition.
My advice to the governors is they have opportunity to put their house in order. They have the opportunity to do something that they will be remembered for. There's some kind of legacy. If I'm a governor today, I won't wait for Justin to raise this issue before I go and make anything that is against the Constitution in that place.
No, you need to be in their meetings. This governors forum meeting. One or two, even to be real, some of them are not, they never liked what is happening.
Yeah.
But their colleagues will say they will do this, they will do that, they will do that. And maybe you've entangled yourself. One or two things. And you won't be able to talk. If not, a government of a state is independent as well as the federal government. Mm-hmm. You can talk for yourself.
Yes. Why would they allow it Why did they allow it to deteriorate to the point where the costs should be closed down?
And they are not bothered. The costs have been closed for 1 month. Plus.
Look at people at the police station. Nobody is because there is no court to take you to.
They are the mercy of all this.
You cannot enforce.
They pay more money. They pay more money.
You know, when the EFCC arrest you, what they will tell you before even you finish your statement, they give you a paper. It's a bail condition, and when you see there is the 2 directors for the Federal Civil Service, then you wonder, how can somebody get 2? How many are there anyway? Now, today you cannot say that the EFCC did not take you to court within 24 hours. Well, because there is no court.
There is nowhere to take you to. There is nowhere to take you.
And the police, the same thing. Police, EFCC will even give you bail condition. Police will not give you anything.
No, they were given. I don't know now, but they were given.
Well, today now it's more difficult to get bail because there's no court to go to. Because no court to go to.
You know, they have room for administrative bail.
But it's expensive.
Whether they want to follow it.
It's expensive. Forget this, police is your friend. We all work in the courts. We know what it means. But all the same, we hope that Justin should please be patient.
No, there is nothing to beg Justin about it.
I don't know whether they are paying them or.
No, they must pay them.
Right.
They will threaten.
Because during Oshomole in Edo State, he didn't pay.
They will pay them because they are saying do constitutional things.
Yeah.
If you don't do it, it will go to another court
Yeah.
to see whether you have right to withhold my salary.
Well, the federal government said they have no problem. I think they have started implementing their
No,
own.
they've implemented their own. Even the president wrote an order.
To that effect.
Order 12 or order 25, I can't remember. He wrote an order last year for the governors to start implementing what is in the constitution.
Yeah, well, we commend him for that, and for the governors who are still stiff-necked, we ask them.
None of them.
We ask
if
them
any, they should come out
to take this opportunity
Yes.
to
None of them.
to make history. Let them. I want to see. We want to know. Monitor to know who will be the first.
Yes.
So that when you leave that
No,
state,
they want to be together. That's why they gave a date now.
well,
So we are waiting.
we are waiting. All right, Al, it's a pleasure having you on the program as usual. Thank you for coming.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah. Well, this is how far we can go. Time is not always our friend, but we want you to give us a feedback on your thoughts on these issues. There are our addresses is on the screen. Get back to us, and then so that we can reason together. Until we come your way again, God bless you.
In law, with the Abuja Municipal Area Council, reducing